Hello there, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to go through the Evolution 2 steel mace flow. So you can do this with the steel mace, you can do it with a sledgehammer, although sword swing gets a little bit awkward because all the weight is in the sledgehammer head. So I suggest not doing this flow until you've got a mace. So first, I'm just going to show you what it looks like, then we're going to break it down into stages and learn this flow. So it starts off, now we're on the other side, and we're back to the position we started in. So for this flow, you need to be comfortable with doing a 360 and an outward sword swing, as they are some of the more difficult movements to be able to do in this flow. So let's break it down. We're going to start with the 360 and then the waterfall. So 360, then what we're going to do is thumb down grip. So have it high, roughly about where the centre of gravity is. Let the mace come round, and then we want to have just a thumb grip. So it looks a bit like this. I'll repeat that. 360, grab it, let that mace thumb grip come, grab it in an upward thumb grip to then go into the swoop. So practice that a few times. 360, grab at the top in a thumb down grip, bring the mace handle round, grab just underneath your hand, go into a swoop. Then we can sort of choke, and we do it again on the other side. And just keep practicing that and get comfortable with it. So I'd say at least be able to do 10 reps with this before we move on. So now we're going to add in the figure 4 and the uppercut lunge. So going from the start, 360, go in the direction that you can point with the top hand. We're going to waterfall, so grab at the top, let the mace come round, grab just underneath in an upward thumb grip, and then swoop. But this time when we're going to swoop, we're going to stand on one leg and allow that mace to swoop out. If the balance is a bit tricky, just keep your foot down, that's fine. If you can, try and manage a swoop. Now bear in mind here, the mace is going to try and pull you over, so you have to kind of lean backwards a little bit. So you've got to counterbalance the mace. This time, so figure 4, swoop it out. As it comes back, we're going to put a heel down. So put a heel down, pointing outwards, ready to twist into the lunge. So I'll go again, swoop out, catch in an inward thumb grip, heels pointing out. Then I can pivot on my front foot and come down into an uppercut lunge. So let's practice that again. 360, waterfall, swoop out, figure 4, bring it back, heel down, pivot, uppercut. Then we can just reset ourselves and go again. And now you're almost ready to add in that final flourish of the outward sword swing. So for the outward sword swing, the important thing is here, we need to have a loose grip in the OK symbol. So we're just going to practice that here. We're going to hold the mace in a downward thumb grip. What we're going to do is just practice rotating the mace. We can do it the other way if you want. It's always good practice. The point here is trying to loosen the grip with the bottom 3 fingers, just so that the mace can rotate. I'll try and slow it down as much as I can, let go, the momentum, and a little bit of help will bring it back round. We're going to add that in from the uppercut lunge. So let's get in a position, rack stance, 360, waterfall, swoop figure 4, bring it back, land in position ready to do the uppercut lunge, uppercut lunge, push the tail up to get your initial momentum going, outward sword swing, back into rack stance, slide the hand down. We're now on the other side to go again. And there you have the Evolution 2. If you'd like to see more flows like this, head over to armoredmuscle.com/on-demand. We've got some more flow tutorials for you there.